Hello, today's vlog is going to be on installing the rock walkway. We've had a huge success with it. We've also had a lot of people to ask more questions. I've had several people saying, can you actually show you installing the rock? So that's what I'm going to do today. But first I want to talk about my theory and science behind selecting the rocks. What you want is, first off, look at the color of the rock. If you like it, you're going to be able to live with it. Then you want to look at if it's flat or if it's curved. You want a rock that's mainly flat. As you can tell, most of these are flat. I've got, let's see, one here that's not, and the dirt kind of lays in that one spot, which is okay, but for the most part every single one of them are flat. This one here is also flat. Mostly, but as you can see it is, and that's what you want, because my clumsy self, when I have to walk over these, and my husband will tell you, I will trip over them. I'll trip over flat carpet. I'm just clumsy. Clumsy. Listen at me. So we have a storm coming. I want to try to do this as fast and as painstakingly as I can. We'll go ahead and start here. What I do is I'll stand in front of my porch and I'll make sure that I get the rock in the center. Here. And you want to use rocks that are fairly heavy. This one probably weighs about, I don't know, 22, 25 pounds. I used to weigh them, but then I just didn't care anymore and I lost count. So this is going to be a center rock. This is what I want to call an actual walking rock. So it's heavy, and when it lays, it doesn't get very wiggity until I seat it really good, and then it won't go anywhere. It'll be like this. So, and I'll position it even with the porch. I'm going to put it like this, and I'll show you why. So let's get to digging. You'll need a mattock and some strength. And then you just want to place it to see where it's going to go. And then I sit in front of the porch. Let's see if it's even. It's not even. So it needs to slide over a hair. You want it fairly close to the other rocks. And that's exactly where you want it. And what I do is I take my foot, seat it, and we're going in the house because it's raining. I will be back. So now that the rain is past, as you can see, standing from here, the rock doesn't look right. But that's okay, because I can take a smaller rock from, say, this one here, to put in the spot here that doesn't look right. So we're going to go ahead and finish seating this one and installing this one. This, I just got out of the creek today. Wonderfully smooth. Beautiful, gorgeous colors. Look at that. It's almost like purple. You want to pull your excess dirt to the side. And then to decide what rock can go next. Because this one has this design. The dirt's going to be over this part, and this part. So this has a point on it. So, let's see how... It's not going to fit there because of this rock here, so we'll lay it to the side. Now, I think this rock is going to look good here. And this one, I don't even know if I want to put that on the walkway or not, because this side is so gorgeous. We'll think about that one later. But I'm going to put this one here. Nope, there's a better fit, right there. And I don't know if you can tell it. This is a better fit and it looks right, as opposed to being over here. But gosh, I really love this one. That is absolutely beautiful. I like this side, but I like this side better, but I like this on it. Choices. So let me go ahead and get this done. So while we're waiting on this to dry, let's just go ahead and do something. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to start here. Work my way around, back around again. What I'm going to do is start leveling these rocks out to show y'all how I do it. And you just want to work with one rock and work in the center. So here it goes. Of course, this one's up. We're going to have to lift this one up. There we go. That's what you want. And you can take your foot around the edges and feel if it's even. That is even. Now, take the dirt and you smooth it back out. And you want this to dry. You want this dirt to dry. Now, let's work on around it. This one's definitely going to need it. It's actually going to be the... Then as I go over it and rub my hands on it again, it'll reseat in the crack. So there you have the idea. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to work my way on over. going to work my way on over and it'll be finished. I got a few here and a few here that need it. Other than that, it's just re-leveling. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. In the spring, you'll have to wait for a complete result from this. It won't happen now because we have to wait till the spring, fall. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.